Hi everybody and welcome back, and today we will be discussing about how to import reviews from AliExpress to Shopify. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So first of all, head over to your Shopify apps section and you can see there we need to simply install this particular app. I have installed it already. It is showing up in my installed apps. So what it is going to be doing, I'm going to be showing that. So if you click on that particular app, simply open it and you can see we are going to be having various options, and meanwhile it is loading, you can head over to AliExpress and choose the particular product that you want to simply import reviews from. So simply select that product, like for example if you can choose anything which is, let's just say this NVMe, which is related to a computer part. So since I'm building online store, I'm going to be clicking on this particular product. Make sure that it do have some reviews that you're going to be importing. So currently I do not see any reviews for this, so I'm not going to be importing this. So the idea is to simply choose the product that have some reviews, and once you have that, simply copy its URL from the top and then head over to the app that we just downloaded and installed onto our Shopify. Click on AliExpress, then enter that URL in here, and that is literally it. Click on import AliExpress reviews. Then you can see if I head over to my store, I have already imported some of the reviews. So you can see here, let's just click on visit product and boom, you can see below, if you scroll down, we have reviews showing up in here. And yeah, so that's how easily you will be able to import the reviews. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.